So next is okay. So next is UDP server. UDP server. In UDP server, we are using the same package which are using in UDP client, that is net.star io.star java.net.star java.io.star, and we'll call a class name as UDP server, and public static void main string args, okay. So we will create a socket again using datagram socket. Since it is a UDP, we have datagram sockets only. So datagram socket, a socket equal to null, datagram socket a socket equal to null, and now try a socket equal to new datagram socket of the port which we are given. So 6789, the port which we send at from the client side, that is 6789. Okay, now byte buffer equal to new byte 1000. That means we are creating a buffer of 1000 bytes. Next is while true. Okay, while true, so datagram packet request equal to datagram packet request equal to, it is the object which created by this class, datagram packet request equal to new datagram packet buffer comma buffer dot length, new datagram packet. That means the arguments to the datagram packet construction is buffer comma buffer dot length, okay. After that we create a packet dot request. So received is request, a packet dot receive request. So the request which is given by the client is now received by the receiver. Now datagram packet reply equal to datagram packet reply equal to new datagram packet request dot get data. New datagram packet request dot get data. And request dot get length comma request dot get length comma request dot get address comma request dot get address comma request dot get port Okay. So what is the now in the reply we will have the reply is constructed like this by the server. So get data, get length, get address, and get port. So all these 4 items are being packed and send it as a reply to the client. And finally, a packet, a socket dot send off reply. A socket dot send off reply. Okay, so this is UDP server mechanism. So we will create a server, so where we will accept the request and send the reply to the customer. So accepting the request, okay, so a data packet, we will create a buffer, so where we send the data, okay, to and a data and port at the 6789, the same port which you used in the client side, and the packet we are sending in the form of a the message we are sending in the form of a packet. So it is request.get data, request.get length, and get address and get port, and finally send the reply. Okay, so this is the summary of the UDP server. Next, TCP client. Okay. Okay. So next is a TCP client and TCP server. TCP client and TCP server. So first we will see TCP client. So that is, here also we are using same packages. So java.net.star and java.io.star. Java.io.star. And the name of the class name is TCP client. Okay, TCP client, and here we are using first we are creating a server. So here we are creating a server port as 7894, so 7890. Okay, so where we can communicate with this with the system. So the port is 7894. The class name is TCP client, and here we are creating a new socket. Okay, we are creating a new socket with server port and a socket. We are creating a new socket, so datagram socket. Okay, sir, open. కనపడుతుంది తర్వాత ఇందులో అయినా